Ever wondered how the game of roulette is played at the casino? Welcome, folks, to a captivating journey where we'll unravel the secrets of this fascinating game. Originating in the 18th century France, roulette has spun its charm across casinos worldwide, becoming a staple of glamour and excitement. Today will be your guide to understanding the game, its rules, strategies, and tips. We'll also shed light on the odds and payouts. So tighten your seatbelts as we delve into the exciting world of roulette. The first step to understanding roulette is getting familiar with the roulette table. Picture a large circular wheel adorned with numbers from 0 to 36 and a betting area often referred to as the layout. The layout is where you place your bets, and it's divided into two main sections, inside and outside. Now, let's talk geography. There are two main types of roulette wheels, American and European. The American is a bit more crowded, with an extra slot labeled 00, giving it one more number than its European counterpart, which only has a single 0. Moving on to the bets. Inside bets are placed on specific numbers or groups of numbers within the layout. They're a bit risky, but offer higher payouts. Outside bets, on the other hand, are placed on broader categories like red or black, odd or even. They offer lower payouts, but the chances of winning are significantly higher. Now that you're familiar with the roulette table, it's time to dive into the rules. Roulette rules are pretty straightforward once you get the hang of it. So let's dive in. First up, the dealer, also known as the croupier, spins the wheel. This is where the magic starts. The wheel whirls around, and the tiny ball inside begins its dance, bouncing from slot to slot. Now, while the wheel spins, this is your chance to place your bets. You can bet on a single number, a range of numbers, whether the result will be odd or even if the ball will land in a red or black slot. It's a smorgasbord of choices, each with its own potential for payoff. Once all bets are in, the dealer will declare, "No more bets," and this is where the suspense builds. All eyes are on the wheel as the ball starts to lose momentum. The winning number is wherever the ball decides to rest. If you've bet on that number or a category that includes it, congratulations, you're a winner. The dealer's role is not just spinning the wheel and ball. They're also in charge of collecting losing bets and paying out the winners. Their rhythm and efficiency are a sight to behold, turning what could be chaos into a smooth, seamless process. There you have it, the basic rules of roulette. But how do we play to win? Roulette is a game of chance, but a few strategies can increase your chances of winning. Let's delve into some of these strategies now. First up, we have the martingale strategy. This strategy has you double your bet after every loss, so that the first win would recover all previous losses plus win a profit equal to the original stake. It sounds great on paper, but the reality is that you need a hefty bankroll to weather potential losses. On the flip side, we have the reverse martingale. This strategy suggests that you double your bet after each win. The idea here is to take advantage of hot streaks and keep the winnings rolling. However, it's crucial to keep in mind that each spin is independent of the last. So, streaks, hot or cold, can end abruptly. Next up, the D'Alembert strategy. Named after the French mathematician Jean-Laurent D'Alembert, this strategy has you increase your bet by 1 after a loss and decrease it by 1 after a win. It's a safer approach compared to the martingale, but it does require patience and a decent bankroll. Then we have the James Bond strategy. This strategy involves covering more than half of the table in bets to shift the odds in your favor. Remember, this strategy, like all others, doesn't guarantee a win. It just alters the odds. Now let's talk about some tips. If given a choice, opt for European roulette over American. The American wheel has an extra 00, which nearly doubles the house edge. For beginners, start with outside bets like red or black, even or odd, high or low. They have lower payouts, but the chances of hitting them are significantly higher. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, set a budget. Decide ahead of time how much you're willing to lose, and stick to that number. This way, you can ensure that you're playing responsibly and that the fun stays in the game. Remember, while these strategies can increase your chances, roulette is still a game of luck. Let's talk about odds and payouts. Which bets give you the best chance of winning? Well, in the exciting world of roulette, the odds and payouts can vary greatly. For instance, a straight-up bet, where you wager on a single number, boasts a rather tempting payout of 35 to 1. But hold your horses, the odds of winning are a slim 2.7% on a European wheel. Contrast that with an even money bet, such as red or black, odd or even high or low, where the payout may be a modest 1-to-1, but the odds of winning skyrocket to a reassuring 48.6%. So you see, while high-risk bets may offer the allure of big payouts, they come with slender odds. On the flip side, lower-risk bets, while offering smaller payouts, provide a higher chance of winning. So, armed with knowledge about odds and payouts, you're ready to take on the roulette wheel. So, let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've taken a journey into the world of roulette, starting with the roulette table. Remember, understanding the table is your first step. Knowing which numbers, colors, and sections are where will set you up for success. Next, we dove into the rules of the game. The wheel spins, the ball drops, and where it lands determines the winners. Simple, right? But there's more than meets the eye. We've also discussed some strategies and tips, like betting on outside chances or choosing European roulette over American for better odds. Speaking of odds, we've looked at how different bets offer different payouts, from straight-up bets with the highest payout of 35-to-1 to even money bets like red or black, and odd or even. Now you're ready to play roulette with confidence and strategy. Remember, the most important rule is to have fun. Happy gaming!